What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the VEVOR 720mm vinyl cutting plotter, a game-changing device that's about to revolutionize your DIY and professional projects. Whether you're into crafting, advertising, or simply love exploring new tech, this plotter is an absolute must-have. So, let's dive in and explore its incredible features. First off, the VEVOR 720mm vinyl cutting plotter boasts an impressive 28 inches large cutting area, with a max paper feed of 28.3 in and a max cutter width of 24.8 inches. This means you can work on larger projects with ease, and a thickened, high-quality aluminum body ensures stability and durability. The powerful stepper motors provide smooth and precise cuts, making it perfect for intricate designs and detailed work. I was blown away by the sheer size and capability of this plotter, and I know you will be too. Imagine being able to create stunning signs, decals, and artwork with ease, all thanks to the generous cutting area and robust construction. Another key feature that really caught my attention is the high-precision operation of this plotter. The LCD panel makes it easy to adjust the pressure and speed, with a clear readout and intuitive buttons. You can fine-tune the cutting pressure between 10-500 G and the cutting speed between 10-800 mm/s, giving you unparalleled control over your projects. The blade accuracy is also remarkably high, at 0.0004 inches or 0.01 millimeters, ensuring that your cuts are always precise and accurate. This level of precision is a dream come true for crafters, artists, and professionals who demand the highest quality results. But what really sets the VEVOR 720mm vinyl cutting plotter apart is the sheer amount of accessories and materials you get with it. You'll receive 5 extra rolls of 23x 39-inch pieces of vinyl in different colors, a utility knife, a ball pen core, tin blades, and other essential items. This is an incredible value, as you'll have everything you need to get started on your projects right away. The plotter itself is also compatible with a wide range of materials, including heat transfer vinyl, paper, craft paper, cardstock, and paint masks. Whether you're working on signage, decorations, or DIY projects, this plotter has got you covered. The VEVOR 720mm vinyl cutting plotter also impresses with its superior compatibility and connectivity options. Equipped with both COM and USB interfaces, you can easily connect it to your computer and use the included SignMaster software. The plotter supports multiple languages and systems, including DM/PL, HP/GL, and Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, and 11. While it's not compatible with Mac systems, the vast majority of users will find it easy to integrate into their workflow. The SignMaster software is also incredibly user-friendly, making it a breeze to design and cut your projects with precision and ease. As I explored the VEVOR 720mm vinyl cutting plotter, I was constantly amazed by its wide range of applications and uses, from advertising and decoration to DIY and label making. This plotter is an incredibly versatile tool that can help you bring your ideas to life. Whether you're a hobbyist, a small business owner, or a professional crafter, this plotter has the potential to transform your work and unlock new creative possibilities. So, if you're ready to take your projects to the next level and experience the thrill of creating something truly amazing, then this plotter is an absolute must-have. In conclusion, the VEVOR 720mm vinyl cutting plotter is an outstanding device that offers unparalleled precision, versatility, and value. With its large cutting area, high-precision operation, and ample accessories, this plotter is the perfect tool for anyone looking to unleash their creativity and bring their ideas to life. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible plotter and start creating something amazing today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech reviews and discoveries. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.